Hey guys, Carfly here, and today we're going to do a whole house vacuuming with this Oreck XL2. Now, these carpets are like very, very, very dirty because we've been gone for 2 weeks and it's just been a mess. So, we're just gonna, and we have a dog, so he kind of makes a mess of the carpets. So, we're just gonna vacuum them today, get them all nice and clean. So this is a whole house cleaning. Let me just get you guys in my okay, let's get right into it. Okay, that was one part of the house. Now, let's just move to another. Ooh, Penny. Okay. Okay. Let's bring you guys to another point in the house. Now, it's not really a whole house cleaning because, you know, there's an upstairs and I don't want to have to. Coda, come here. And he'll move. Okay, that was pretty much a whole house cleaning. And by the way, we're in the middle of like redoing the walls, so if you're wondering why they're like that, that's the reason. Yeah, and if this, we have dog bed here, but it looks way cleaner. The Oreck does a pretty good job at cleaning. There's some stains from when he was a puppy, but other than that, it's pretty much this whole floor vacuumed. A couple spots here and there that I'll have to go over, but then there's an upstairs, but that's for another video. I'll do a vacuuming of that. There's just a couple spots that I'll go over quick, and then that'll be the end of the video. Mostly just spots like right here where the cord was just sitting and I couldn't. We do have our Christmas tree up, so. that's pretty much it, guys. Everything's pretty much vacuumed. Like this spot's like right here where it's just like a stain that doesn't come out. We carpet clean our carpets like every year or so. Well, that was pretty much a one floor cleaning, but that was pretty much a whole house cleaning with the Oreck XL2. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like car videos, vacuum videos, or animatronic videos, or we just do all kinds of stuff on this channel. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.